Anna. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at Art of Animation Cars Family Suites. We just checked in. Our room is ready at 11:20, 11:30. I'm so excited to show you what it looks like. Okay, so we are in building 2 and this is our room number 3817. We are on the 4th floor. When you walk in, this is the Murphy bed. So cute. We got some paintings, your door. There's so much space here. So much space. So you have your first bathroom here. It's small, but it's good. You have 2. Let's see. Your shower. Perfect, clean, fresh, very, very nice. Your kitchenette, so helpful, especially when you have kiddos. And I believe this is an actual fridge. Yes, it is. This is an actual fridge. We have a microwave. This couch opens up. Here's our beautiful view. So we will show you probably at some point in time, but you know, this folds down, you move the chair and it becomes a cute cozy bed. And this is the main bedroom. So cute. I love it. All the details here. So cute. Here you also have extra pillows, extra blanket, lots of storage. I believe these are pretty deep, yes, and pretty big.
And you can see the whole Bible.
And you could see the Bible. Here you have your safe, ironing board, and here you have your huge bathroom with a shower. So it's good that you have a tub combo and you have a shower as well. And there's lots of space here. And as I mentioned before, over here, so much space to move around. Incredible. I love this room. I'm so excited. Are you excited to stay here?
Yes.
Yes. All right, Aiden opened up this bed because that's where he's gonna be sleeping. So it's nice and roomy. I think it's a full-sized bed. So very nice. And it has the lights, super cute. It's so nice and cozy at night. And we did utilize the extra pillows and blankets that it already had in the room, but we'll probably end up calling for another pillow and like 2 extra blankets for this bed because my little guy takes up a lot of space. Anyway, so we're just kind of like setting up. All right guys, well I hope you enjoyed this short and quick video of our room tour here at Art of Animation Cars Suite. Just extended it for 1 more night because there is a hurricane coming and I don't want to switch resorts. To be here for 3 nights, I am super excited. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time we upload a new video, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.